Let's make potato bolognese.
What's that?
Oh, that's a very good question. Potato bolognese, it's not bolognese with pasta. It's a potato with bolognese sauce. And we make it in a certain way that I'm sure you would love it. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, we have all the ingredients ready here. Okay, let's start. Okay, now we take out this frying pan and thank you, Daria. What we have to put first, we have put
The oil.
olive oil, the oil, not too much, just fried. And then just wait. It's nice to introduce them potato with other ways of cooking it. Put some boiling, grilling potato. It's better. Daria, now pass me the garlic, please.
Okay. Should we put all of it in?
Yes. Gonna make it very garlicky. Okay.
Okay. Can I put it in?
Okay. You can add that. Yes. That's great, Daria. Now, give me some salt and pepper. What is that? Trying it?
No, a pinch of salt.
Daria, are your other friends are interested to help their moms in the kitchen?
Sometimes because
Why?
they want to cook, but they're just scared of like burning themselves or like cutting themselves.
I mean, they're not allowed to come to the kitchen, or they don't
They're
want
allowed
to?
to come to the kitchen.
Oh,
but,
really?
But like they're they also have like they're allowed but like not allowed.
Yeah, I know how it is. We have to be patient enough to have them next to us, show them how to cook, how to help with us, and also show them the safety tips.
Okay, Mommy, when should we put
Okay,
the
I think it's time for the tomato puree. Yeah, put it in. All on, yes. That's great, guys. Then we have to stir it well. Because we want to make this quickly, huh? And let it cook for a few minutes. This is the cover on. Okay, we make it low. Okay, let's check. It's almost cooked. I'm gonna add some basil leaves and stir it together. Yes. Oh, thank you, Daria. Okay, our bolognese sauce is ready and we can take it to the other side. We start with the potato, roast potato.
Potato. Hey everybody, you want to hear my potato song? Potato, potato.
Daria, pay
potato.
attention.
Oh,
We're
look
gonna
at the
make-
potatoes being sliced.
Open the roast potatoes just a bit.
Ma, you killed it.
Don't touch it.
Out.
Yeah, you see?
Woo, that looks
Just-
satisfying.
Yes, and with a spoon. You can do it slowly. I just want this part, honey.
Okay.
Yes, that's nice. Do it because we need to add the bolognese sauce and other ingredients. Your favorite sour cream.
My favorite. And
Now,
I like it.
that's the interesting part. We
What about the
fill in
sour
the
cream?
potato. Wait, with the
Can I fill the potato?
yeah.
Woohoo! A little
Then-
baby potato.
That's great. Now
Little baby.
we add the sour cream.
Sour cream.
This is fine. We put it here. And now, Daria, go and get the Edam cheese.
Edam.
Yes,
Edam.
from the fridge.
Give me A-M-E-D. Like the cheese. Just
Okay.
nice.
This is the grater.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
This is so hard to open.
Pull it.
Yeah,
That's
I'm
right.
strong.
That's right. Just it.
Cheesy.
Now,
On which side will we grate it?
I prefer to use the big size.
one.
Yeah, because we want it to look really nice.
I'll tell you how it looks. It's yummy. Very yummy.
Okay, let's put it back here. Here is a bit messy.
Potato, here you go.
Yes, this is our beautiful roast
Potato bolognese.
potato. What do you say?
Potato.
Potato bolognese.
We have to put the juice and the milk.
No, you have to bring the lunchbox. First, we put it in the lunchbox, then we add the other things.
Oh. Why can't we just skip to the juice and the milk?
Somebody's thirsty. Go ahead. What?
Okay, Captain.
Okay, and I forgot to put these little beautiful basils.